We talked about logical and relational operations for variables. We can apply the exact same logic and relational operators to arrays. So we have greater than, equivalent to, less than, we have ands, and we have ors. And they work exactly the same way. Remember in Matlab, 1 is true and 0 is false. So if I, again, create this random matrix called A using the function RANDI, I have a random 4x3 matrix A, and if I type the command A greater than 5, this is going to be an entry-by-entry logical operation. So we're going to look at every single entry of A and decide whether that entry is greater than 5. If it is, I'm going to get a 1 back for true. If it's not, I'm going to get a 0 back for false. So when I run this command, I get a matrix of 1 and zeros, exactly the same size as the original matrix A. There is a 1 in every single spot where the corresponding entry in A is bigger than 5, and there is a 0 in every single spot where the corresponding entry in A is less than or equal to 5. Now suppose I make two matrices, A and B. They must be the same size in order to compare them. I can't do A greater than B, A equivalent to B, A less than B, unless A and B are exactly identical in size, because these logical operators are going to compare each entry in A and B. So for example, if I would do A equivalent to B, it's going to compare the 1-1 entry of A with the 1-1 entry of B, the 1-2 entry in A with the 1-2 entry in B, etc. All right, so if I look at this, the only place where A is exactly equivalent to B is in row 2, column 1. So what I get back is a 1 in row 2, column 1, and I get zeros every place else for false. If I do the exact same matrices A and B and I run the command A greater than B, I can see that A is greater than B only in row 2, column 2. So that's the only place that I get a true. And finally, if I work with the same two matrices and look at A greater than or equal to B, now A is greater than or equal to B in the entire row 2. So I get trues in both of those spots.